here we briefly talk about some common mathematical function and statistical function. So here some talk about that. Here's something new with sum if. Basically said want to sum number only if certain criteria is satisfied. So maybe it's good to take a look at the following example. So let's take a graph 1, 3, -1, -1, -2, right? So if I have sum A1 to A5, then it's 3. So, but if I sum if the whole range, if is bigger than 0, then you will only sum things that are bigger than 0, so conditional sum. So it's rather convenient when you try to don't want to sort it out, and can be simplified by using a simple comparison. And the sum product, we have talked about that. Power is just exponential raised to the power, square root. ABS is absolute value. I think it's easy. The next is count. Is count how many number of cells are there, how many number of row or number of column for the range. Count A is just counting things that have stuff. Count blank is count how many cells that have no content inside. And count if is count as long as the certain thing are satisfied. It's like maybe only count only positive number. So let me show it again. So here I have count here, then you give us 5 cells, right? Or I want to say I want to count this whole count A1 to B5. Then you give us only 7, okay? And I do count blank, then there will be 3 blank cell. If I say count if they are bigger than 0, then only these 5 cells are positive. Okay, so this is how the count if being used. And average is easy to know how to do it. Average if the same, just average if they're positive. And minimum, maximum, obvious. Average and median, percentile rank, calculated with the range along the data, with the percentile data, variance, standard deviation for variance. Ran is a random number, which is uniform from 0 to 1. Ran between will be integers from between 2 integers, maybe worth looking at the range. So I say ran, then automatically you generate any random number from 0 to 1. Okay? And do ran between, can between any number, maybe 1 up to 10. Okay? It's good to log 3. Here I have a number generated between 1 to 10, so rather useful.